Hi guys, welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another Cloud engineer task. I am here on the Chrome browser. On search bar, let me type engineer.codicloud.com/login. Hit enter. Let me type the password here. Hit enter. Okay, we got our task dashboard. In this video, we will see fix issue with LAMP environment in Kubernetes task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look at the solution. One of the DevOps team member was trying to install a WordPress website and a LAMP stack, which is essentially deployed on Kubernetes cluster. It was working well and we would see the installation page a few hours ago. However, something is messed up with the stack now due to website went down. Please look into the issue and fix it. For your information, deployment name is lamp-wp and it's using a service named lamp-service. The Apache is using HTTP default port and node port is 30008. From the application logs, it has been identified that application is facing some issues while connecting to the database in addition to other issues. Additionally, there are some environmental variables associated with the pods like mysql underscore root underscore password, mysql underscore database, mysql underscore user, mysql underscore password, mysql underscore host. Also, do not try to delete or modify any other existing components like deployment name, service name, types, labels, etc. Note, the kubectl utility on jump host has been configured to work with the Kubernetes cluster. So first let me click on this app button here on top right. 502 bad gateway. Okay, that's fine. Now first let me see all the resources available in our Kubernetes cluster space. We will get all the resources present in our default namespace. Okay, we can able to see a deployment named lamp-wp 1 by 1, meaning all containers present in this particular deployment are running fine. Okay, and service is lamp-service, mysql-service. There were two services running apart from the default one. Okay, and one replica set is there. So first let me describe the deployment to see any issues in the event section. Describe deploy and our deployment name is lamp-wp. Able to see anything here. There is a config map, php-config, kubectl get config map. We can able to see php-config. Okay, that is fine. And then mysql underscore root underscore password optional false. Host port is 0, port 3306. Okay, there were two containers, httpd-php container and mysql container, two containers, and one is running on port 80 and another one is running on port 3306. Okay, now let me kubectl describe svc lamp-service. Here we can able to see selector type is node port, that is fine, and then target port is 8080. Okay, and node port is 30008. Okay, that is fine, and target port is 8080, but when we see here we can able to see the host port is 80. Are we able to find any other issues? Okay, since they specifically mentioned some environmental variables associated with pods. Now first let me check the environmental variables exec it, and let me check let me get into any one of the container. Okay, let me copy this one, exec -it. Let me go to the pod. Okay, fine. First let me list out the pod. It will get pods. Now kubectl exec logs to find anything here. Let me try exec into it. Exec -it httpd is our pod -c httpd php container print env. Let me print the environmental variables mysql underscore root underscore password. Let me log into containers and check the details there. bin/sh. Now usually index space should be present in the var www/html. So let me go there. var www/html. No, nothing is here. If it is not there, then I think it should be plus -lj. Okay, app is there. Let me go to the app directory. Here let me do the ls-la, enable to see index.php file. First let me do cat. Here let me see the environmental variables. mysql underscore database, it is database name, that is fine. db user mysql underscore user, that is also fine. And the password mysql underscore password. Okay, here you see guys, single quotes and double quotes, it is having some issue here. This one we need to be corrected. And then mysql underscore host, host name is mysql -host here. Let me edit them. Okay, I think we are good. Now let me escape :x, enter. Now let me restart the services. Sudo systemctl restart httpd. Okay, service httpd restart. Now it is restarted. Let me go to this website. Let me refresh it. I try to call first. Call http localhost 80 connected successfully. We exit from here. Let me edit the kubectl edit svc lamp service. Here come down target port, let change it to 80, since in deployment it was 80, so let me keep this as 80. Escape :x, enter. Now let me try to access. Yes, now connected successfully. As we have completed the task, first let me walk you through what the things that we did. First, I list out all the resources present in our cluster in the default namespace. Later on, I verified each one, like I went into the deployment and verified any events, and then I went into services and there I found some issue in the ports. Later on, I print out the all environmental variables, and then I log into the container. There I verified the environmental variables. That's what the steps I took it, guys. Let me click on this check button, click on confirm. Yes, we did correct. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another Code Cloud Engineer task. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Please let me know in the comments in case you are having any queries related to any Code Cloud Engineer task or any DevOps tool and cloud technology. Thank you.